One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com, and what I've got here for you today is an auto fix type of a repair video. I got all kinds of cars, and I show you around here every time I'm doing videos. In fact, this one's sold. This one here is the most beautiful W140 I ever got. Limos and all kinds of stuff, Bricklands, you name it. I got cars, and I got 3 times as many, 4 times as many crap sitting around everywhere. Check my website out, all that stuff. So today we're going to do door hinges and how to make your doors better. Now there's some really extreme cases, and mostly that's going to be found on pickup trucks and work trucks and the sort. What I've got here today is a work truck, and it's a 3/4 ton. It's a 5th wheel puller, and people get in and out of them a lot. They hang on the doors and stuff, and one of the main things the doors always do on these is sag. They kind of sag down on these old Chevys, and I'm going to show you this here. Let's see what this does. It doesn't even want to shut, so sounds like it's dying, man. So we're gonna fix this. It is a quick, easy fix. God, man, this is, I'm overkilling it a bit. Okay, so what are we gonna use to fix this? We're using white lithium grease, carbon choke cleaner, and silicone spray. That's that. Ooh, and a little rum for Nate. So basically this here is going to be a thing of getting it fixed up. And this is where you need to start on this, on this, on this, and on this. And I'm running out of battery, which sucks. But take your carbon choke cleaner. And then work it in. This is one step that nobody usually does, is cleans. And after you do that, take your brush, and you'll see it taking the black right off the top. And it's not going to do a whole lot in there. You just want to clean off anything you can for the heck of it. And then you'll see that just disappearing. So, there's a... Now, you don't need this. You can just put the white lithium. But I'm putting a good amount of that on there. And as you can tell, that'll almost quiet it down. You could be done with that if you wanted. But to be quite thorough, the white lithium is going to last the longest, and it's not going to roll off there, and it will stick right over the silicone spray. Be a Bernie Sanders with it now. Give it away. Be liberal. Be liberal. And this one, that's probably all you're going to get. It'll work into it over time. You can get a little more on there and put a couple coats, but for the most part, the door is, you can even do this. I grab them here and just pick up, and that might help, because down is where they go. So that has made a big difference, and you can just like literally take a nice little push and go poosh, and it'll shut. Okay, that's the video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day or night. Check out all my videos on here. All kinds of stuff for sale. And it is cheap, buddy. Cheapity cheap, cheap, cheapity cheap, cheap. Check out my website. Call me if you got any questions. Nathan, 406-546-8748. Don't call about questions on how to fix your door. Look on Google or watch the video.